Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making homemade Vietnamese spring rolls, also known as summer rolls. Please stick around until the end to get the full recipe. Let's begin. First, let's begin by chopping your carrots into sticks. So as you can see here, I'm just chopping up my carrots, and then I'm going to be chopping up my mushrooms. Next, begin slicing your cucumbers into sticks. So as you can see here, I'm just slicing them up just like I did the carrots in the earlier portion of the video. So now that you have all your veggies chopped and ready to go, it is time to prepare your summer roll. Today I have butter lettuce, but you can use romaine or head lettuce if that's what you have in your fridge. Once you have your veggies ready, it is now time to find a large pan enough to fit your rice paper. Start by adding warm water into your pan and soak your rice paper for 10 seconds. If you have vermicelli noodles in your pantry, feel free to use them. They're a great addition to this dish. You can soak them for 10 minutes in hot water, drain them in cold water, and they are ready to go. So as you can see here, I'm just starting to build my summer roll. I'm starting with the butter lettuce, then I'm going to add the vegetables and the green onion, and then I will be rolling them. Once you have everything on your summer roll, it is now time to roll. Please be very gentle when you're rolling your summer roll. You don't want the rice paper to break. So as you can see here, I'm just pulling it over the vegetables, then I'm folding in the sides, and then I'll continue wrapping the roll. This is the easiest method to wrap a summer roll to avoid any breakage. Once you finish your first summer roll, you can now start your second one. So for this second one, I'm using vermicelli noodles. As I mentioned earlier, this is optional, by the way. You don't have to use the vermicelli noodles, but I think it gives a great flavor to the summer roll. I've just finished my second roll, and now I'm on to my last one. I'm only making 3 today, but you can make as many summer rolls as you would like. So there we have it, family. This is my homemade version of Vietnamese spring rolls, aka summer rolls. I'm just about to plate mine up with some soy sauce, but you can have any other sauce you would like with it. You can use sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, peanut sauce, whichever you would like. But I think it goes great with soy sauce. And there we have it, family. Here are the main ingredients that you will need for your summer roll. Feel free to add any other vegetable you would like in your dish. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to join the family.